Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Envoy Mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser which is on your PC and then go to the Google bar and search for Envoy Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will lead you to Envoy Mortgage's official page. Now scroll down and click on My Account. You can see that you can write down your username, password, click login, and then sign in to your Envoy Mortgage account. If in case you don't have an account yet, you can go ahead and click this link called register, and you can register yourself and create a new account for yourself. And if in case you forgot your username or password, these are the links you want to go through to recover your password or username. If you want to read the privacy policy of Envoy Mortgage, click on Privacy Policy and you can get to know the do's and don'ts of Envoy Mortgage. I hope this video about Envoy Mortgage login was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.